In this video, I want to talk about 5 investment tips that you need to know before you start your investment journey. Hello everyone, welcome back to Money Matters with Modupe. My name is Modupe Vincent. I'm a certified financial planner and also a legal practitioner with over 25 years experience. And in today's video, I want to talk about 5 investment tips that you need to know before you start investing. They are simple, they're easy to do, and you must do them before you start the investment journey. So the very first thing is that you must start with a goal. There should be a reason why you want to invest. It is not just enough for you to know that you need to invest. What is the reason why you are investing? Knowing your goal, knowing why you want to invest will help you to determine the kind of investment you should be going for. Not all investments are the same. Some investments are meant for short term, some are for medium term, and some are for the long term. Some of these investments as well are investments that you can easily get your money from immediately, while others it will take a longer time for you to bring out your money from it. And so that is why it's very important for you to have a reason, your goal, why you want to invest. Do you want to invest because you just need somewhere to put your money into? Is it because you want to preserve and protect your capital? Or is it because you want something that will be bringing in regular income as a form of another stream of income for you? Or is it because you want to be able to plan for your child's education coming in future? There are reasons, but you must have a reason. You must have your why. This will help you to determine the kind of investment you should go into, how long you should go into it as well. The second tip that you must know is that you must start small. Start small, but start. That's the important thing. Start small, but start. Don't just have that intention that, oh, I'm going to start, I'm going to start, I'm going to start. Start now. And I tell you that your financial future will thank you for the seeds that you sow today. You don't have to have millions before you start investment. Start with what you have, where you are. So don't wait till you have that large sum. No, with 5,000, you can start investment. With 10,000, you can start investment. But the important thing is that you must start your investment journey. The third tip is that you must learn before you leap. I usually would tell people as a certified financial planner that you must understand where you're putting your money into. When you understand, it will be difficult for somebody to trick you. It will be difficult for you to fall into fraud. It will be difficult for you to fall into Ponzi schemes or for people to deceive you when you have an understanding of where your money is going into. So don't invest because people are saying, oh, this is the next best thing to put your money into, or I got this tip from WhatsApp or something. No, ask questions. Watch videos like Money Matters with Modupe that will enlighten you and empower you to know what you are doing. It's easy. If you want to invest in something, to put your money into something, ask questions. What is the rate of return on this thing? What is this thing all about? What is the company I'm putting my money into? If you don't understand it, just take a break. Ask questions. And that is why we have my station, and you have other stations on YouTube as well that you can ask questions, make inquiries and clarification. So please let me say at this point that if this channel has been of value to you, especially this video that you are watching, I want to appeal to you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Money Matters with Modupe. We bring value on money matters, on legal tips as well, and also on life issues as well. So please like it, comment, share as well, and please put on the notification button so that anytime I come live or anytime I drop a video, you will be notified as well. So the fourth tip is that you should start with low risk options. Yes, and this is, especially for women who are usually afraid to start investing. Oh, I don't have so much money. Oh, I don't want to lose my money. It's important that you will start with low risk options, beginner friendly options. You have the treasury bills, you have mutual funds, you have these are little things that the risk are very not too much, not too high. And what I tell people is that the higher the risk of a thing, the higher the return. So when people are asking for, oh, I want quick return, or I want high return, then this may not be your best options. You may be looking into things that are not even the traditional form of investment, like crypto and all those kind of things, because the risks are high, and they're very volatile. But when you want to start and you don't have so much, but you just want to start with investment that are low risk. And the final tip I have is that please be patient. Investing is not a marathon. It is not an MMM. It is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not. It is investment. And most times, as a beginner, it is a long-term thing. Yes, when you get into investment, you will begin to see your way and know what you can afford and what you cannot afford. So be patient. If you are faithful, if you are consistent, you will start seeing growth over time. So I want to ask you, what is stopping you from starting today? You must start investing today. Don't wait for the perfect season. Progress thrives with the little steps that you take. Remember, investment is not just for women. I'm talking to my women now. It is not just for men. It is not just for the rich. No, it's for the wise. And the wise will invest. So please invest, start small, have your goal, whatever the goal is, because like I said, there are different kinds of investment. There's some investment for short term, there's some investment for medium term, and there's some investment for the long term. We'll also consider in another video the other things that you must determine and consider before you also invest. You must look at things like risk versus returns. You must look at the timing as well. That is what I mean by the short term, middle term, and the long term. When do I need the money? Because if you're going to be needing the money soon, then there are certain investment that you should not put your money into, because the returns are usually for long term. So these are some of the things you must consider. You look at the liquidity as well. How fast can I quickly convert this investment into money? Because you put money into the investment, and that investment is in something. Either you bought a property, or you bought shares, or you fixed it into treasury bill or something, and you now need the money today. It's difficult. How do you quickly get your money? How does that investment turn into money? That is what we mean by liquidity. These are some of the things that we also look at. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification button, please share, like as well. I will see you at the top. Be money wise. God bless you. Bye.